This is a 2003 BMW 530, a great fit and finish. It features a 3.0-liter six-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. Its top features include a sunroof, heated seats, a premium audio system, aluminum wheels, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: air conditioning with automatic climate control, cruise control, steering wheel mounted controls, a CD player, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, BMW individual composition, rear curtain airbags, rear seat child-proof door locks, full power accessories, and an anti-theft protection system. Please call today to reserve this vehicle for a test drive.
Best Bet and Independence Auto Sales is located at 15431 Highway 99 in Linwood. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.